Start taking a deep breath. And I want the inhale to be intentional but not forced. And the exhale to elongate it even more. So when we exhale with a longer breath, we are releasing tension. And this is where the stress goes out. So keep doing it on your own, at your own pace. It's intentional, but not forced. Allow the life source to come into you and through you, to inhale that very potent life force and exhale what's not serving you. So imagine the waves of the ocean, and that strong wave comes to crash on you, but you don't resist it, you just allow it to fade and leave. And with the inhale, another big wave starts crashing on you. And you allow it and you leave. And it dissolves. And it comes back again to crash on you. As a metaphor for life, we always have things that come to us. And if we don't resist them, we just allow them to dissolve on their own. It's the laws of nature. Survey your body and observe where you might feel a resistance or a blockage or discomfort, and just observe it without any judgment. It's okay. So bring your breath to that place in the body and nurture it with love and gratitude. As actors, as creators, as producers, it's so important to be aware of our body. The present moment is always perfect. It's a space where you can start creating with intention and gratitude what's coming next. You're not in the past, you're not in the future, you're here, right here in your body, right now. Creating the next second, the next minute, the next hour, day, week, month, and year. Creating your future life, your future reality. So I'm gonna ask you questions while you keep meditating in this state of relaxation. What do you want to be great at? What do you really want to be amazing, outstanding at? Right now, not in the future, not tomorrow, right now, right here. And answer this question for yourself now. Why? Why do you really want to be great at this thing? And again, ask yourself why? Why that? There's another why behind it. And I want you to dig a little deeper, like go beneath the surface even more. Why you want that? That last thing you just said. Why do you want it so bad? And now we're gonna dig even higher, deeper, more profoundly, more authentically to find your true purpose? Who will benefit from your talents, from you achieving and succeeding in this intention? And I want you to visualize every person, everything, every being who's benefiting right now from you achieving that intention. And look at them for a few seconds, each person, and if it's a large group, even better, embrace them and say thank you. 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 Keep breathing. Be grateful that you are able to serve, to change, to transform all of these people's beings and things, thanks to your talent and contribution. Do you feel it inside of you right now? You can nod yes. I really want you to feel that gratitude, to feel that empowerment in your body. Feel it in your body. And with your hand, I want to see what part of the body you feel it at. I want you to touch with your hands the part of the body where you are feeling that energy the most potent and powerful and present. You have to be good at something, not just for you, but for other people. 2 and more people outside of yourself have to benefit from your talents, your actions, your language, your intentions, your purpose. And until you are not aligned with that energy, it will be very challenging to succeed in any endeavor you take, any audition, any pitch, any sales meeting, any creation you start, any writing, any relationship. You cannot succeed until you reach this space of service, gratitude, and openness for you and 2 people outside of yourself. Take a deep breath. And slowly start moving your body, slowly coming back to the present reality. Start tapping yourself, congratulating yourself. It feels good just to tap our bodies. I feel a little electricity. Do you feel it? I feel like little goosebumps. Even your legs, your feet.